If you're traveling with a baby, packing the right diaper bag essentials can make all the difference. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need in your diaper bag to keep your trip smooth, stress-free, and mess-free. First, let's talk about some key features that we found super helpful to have in our diaper bag when traveling. If you're bottle feeding baby, it's extremely convenient to have insulated side pockets on the outside of the bag for easy access. You want to make sure that no matter what shape and size the bottle, the pockets are big enough. Even if you're not bottle feeding, these are great to keep your own water bottles and beverages cold, especially when traveling. It's helpful to have a luggage sleeve on your diaper bag so that you can slide it right on your suitcase. This one is extra convenient because when you're not using it on luggage, you can zip it up and use it as a pocket for additional storage. Babies come with a lot of stuff, and having enough space to keep all that stuff organized is crucial, so you're also going to want all the pockets. Okay, now on to the basics. Diapering essentials. Whether you're heading on a road trip or flying, these are items you should just have with you all the time. The diaper kit. Diapers. A good rule of thumb is one diaper for every hour of travel, plus a few extras just in case of delays or unexpected messes. Changing mat. Public restrooms aren't always baby-friendly or the cleanest, so a compact wipeable mat is a lifesaver. Wipes. Not just for diaper changes, but also for wiping hands, faces, and even surfaces. Diaper rash cream and applicator. Travel-sized creams are great, and a spatula keeps your hands clean. Keeping all of these items in one pouch makes diaper changes quick and easy, no matter where you are. Just grab the cube and go. For feeding on a travel day, the key is to plan for one feeding every 2 to 3 hours, or your baby's usual schedule. And again, add a few extras in case of delays. If you're traveling through the airport, you can bring your bottles with water in them, however, they will stop you to test both the water and the formula. Make sure to plan for the added time of going through security. You don't want this holdup to make you miss your plane. The feeding kit. Your feeding kit should include bibs, disposable table covers, and burp cloths to handle mealtime messes with ease, plus silicone utensils if your baby is eating solids. The clothing kit. You'll want to pack extra clothes for any needed outfit changes. Spit ups and blowouts happen, and you'll want to be prepared. You may also want to bring long and short sleeved options and bottoms, being prepared for whatever the climate might be at your end destination. You can also fit a sleep sack or swaddle in this cube as well. The first aid kit. A first aid kit is a must when traveling with a baby and keeps you ready for the unexpected. The medicine kit. A medicine kit ensures you're prepared for fevers, teething, or any sudden illnesses so you're not caught off guard when your baby needs relief on the go. The teething kit. Bring baby's favorite to help with fussy moments. This is also a great place to throw in a few extra passies and passy clips. The mommy kit, because we need essentials too. Keep it small but don't skip it. I like to use these cubes because you'd be surprised at how much you can fit in them. Traveling can be overstimulating for babies, so comfort items are key. The MVP, a muslin swaddle. This is one item I never travel without because of its versatility. A wet dry bag. This item is great for keeping any dirty or soiled items separated from everything else in the bag. An extra pack of tissues always comes in handy, as well as all the wipes, because messes come in all forms when traveling with a baby. Dog poop bags. These are perfect for wrapping up dirty diapers, soiled clothes, or even trash on the go. I always keep an extra pacifier and pacifier clip in a case attached to my bag so I'm not scrambling when baby needs it. Now, let's put it all together. You'll want to make sure the first aid kit is somewhere you can quickly and easily access it. I like to keep it in this front pocket. I've also added the wet dry bag here. I love that it folds down so small for easy storage. Moving to the interior of the bag, these side pockets are great for these formula towers, which can be used for snacks as baby gets older. If you're breastfeeding, you can also fit your haka here instead. Then go in our organizational cubes, the diaper kit and the clothing kit. These interior wall pockets are perfect for fitting all the wipes. It's hard to see here, but the feeding kit can slide into the back wall pocket. Then in the small zippered pocket above, I've put the spare tissue packet. I will then add the medicine kit on top of the cubes because it needs to be easily accessible if going through airport security. To continue building our bag, I'll add the mommy kit, the teether kit, toys and comfort items, followed by the muslin swaddle at the top. Use the exterior of your bag for quick grab items like the poopy diaper bags and extra pacifier. And that's it, a fully stocked travel-ready diaper bag. Now you can hit the road or board your flight knowing you're prepared for anything. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments, what's your must-have travel item for a baby?